Hello and welcome to another Divi Booster tutorial. In this video, we'll look at how to add a frosted glass background blur in Divi. This effect is a great way to give your layouts a sleek, modern glassmorphism style by blurring the content behind a semi-transparent section, row, or module. It's perfect for enhancing readability on busy or textured backgrounds, all while maintaining a striking visual look for your design. Let's dive in and explore how to create and fine-tune this frosted glass panel effect. To create a frosted glass background blur in Divi, we'll use a feature added by the Divi Booster plugin. This method allows you to easily apply a transparent, blurred effect to enhance any section, row, or module in your layout. You can use this technique on whichever element works best for your design, so feel free to follow along with your preferred choice. If you don't already have the Divi Booster plugin, you can learn more about it in the accompanying post. To get started with your frosted glass effect, open the settings for the specific section, row, or module you want to style. In the Settings sidebar, navigate to the Background group. Here, locate the Background Color option and open the Color Picker. Now select or enter a color value, like white, represented by the hex code SHFFFFFFF. After that, use the opacity slider to adjust the transparency. A value around 40 or 0.4 works well as a starting point to achieve that frosted glass look. This semi-transparent layer will allow the background blur to subtly soften the elements behind your module without fully hiding them. Next, let's refine our frosted glass panel by adding some padding. With the Settings panel still open, switch to the Design tab and find the Spacing group. Here you'll add padding to the top, bottom, left, and right of your element. A value like 24 pixels works well to create enough space around your content. This padding helps the frosted glass effect feel more polished and balanced, giving your layout a cleaner and more professional look. To enhance your frosted glass effect further, you can add a subtle border for contrast. In the Design tab, navigate to the Border group. Set the border width to something minimal, like 2 pixels, and choose a white color, represented by the hex code hashed FFFFFF. Then, adjust the opacity to around 60. This partial transparency creates a soft edge that elegantly separates your frosted panel from the background. This small detail can really elevate the overall look of your design. To adjust the strength of your frosted glass effect, start by selecting your module, row, or section and navigate to the Design tab. Within this tab, open the Glass Effect group. Here, you'll find the Blur Strength field. Set the blur strength to a value that works for your design. A great starting point is 8 pixels, which creates a noticeable yet subtle effect. You can always experiment with higher or lower values to fine-tune the look to match your background and overall theme. Once you've completed setting the background color, padding, border, and blur strength, it's time to save your changes and preview your work. When you do, you'll see your Divi module, row, or section transformed with a sleek and modern frosted glass effect. The beauty of this style is how it allows your background images or textures to softly shine through, creating a polished professional finish. Take a moment to admire your newly styled design. And that's it. Adding a frosted glass blur to your Divi modules is a quick and effective way to bring a sophisticated glassmorphism style to your layouts. With just a few simple adjustments, you can create overlays that not only look visually stunning, but also make text and elements easier to read on any background. Give it a try and elevate your designs with this modern, polished effect. Thanks for watching.